is Rolling with the Rileys.
That was how many screws? 4 screws out?
6.
6
4
screws.
back, 2 on the side.
Now we're unboxing the lock. So we got more screws, it looks like. Ta-da! The lock. Ta-da! So what are you doing?
I am taking it apart, unhooking the back piece from the front piece. They come together. It's one unit. Probably could have done it with the drill too. I think I am going to put it back together with the drill.
Sounds good to me. It's cold.
So I got the screws in it too. I mean, the batteries in it too.
I just don't understand why when we pulled up today, our stairs were down. What up with that though? That's a big question mark. We're gonna try it again to see what happens.
Take the stairs down and see if they can get in it.
I don't know what they're doing,
All these other
but
ones out here.
I'm glad we changing the lock today. Because like they say, the keys are universal. I don't know if y'all know that, but they say the keys are universal for trailers. So
it's only like, according to what I understood, there's only like 4 or 5 people that make keys for them. And they're pretty much all the same.
yep. So we gonna change the lock. At first I was like, oh, we could do it later, but we're gonna do this today, especially based on what we pulled up on today.
Yeah. So, is it the wiggle it in? There you go.
Clean. Let's go. That's one thing I didn't clean, but I'll do that in the summer. I didn't want it to freeze on me. Cleaned everything else though. Once the weather gets better, we'll do a full tour of our trailer. But for now, we just trying to do a few provisions here and there. So when we do our first trip, we won't have
So much to do.
so much stuff to do.
Right. Yes.
So when it's camping season, I'm ready to go.
This tucks into this spot right here. See how it's moving? So let me secure this first. Why? Is because this plate came off of it, it should go back on it. So I ain't got to worry about that other plate fitting or not. This one came off of it, it should go back on. But you don't tighten it up. Screws are tight. Doesn't work. That plate doesn't work for me. You see why? The holes are too small, too big. The plate holes are too big. That's it. much better alignment as far as a whole. You don't tighten it up all the way yet. Push this into this hole.
You need another hand.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna need another hand, but see.
Got the gloves on now.
Yep.
It's supposed to get cold today, y'all. And it's supposed to snow. I said that earlier. I was like, I need to wipe that door down. I didn't wipe it down when it was at the house because I was like, I don't want it to freeze.
Right.
You gotta wipe it down better when the weather change and
Right.
gotta worry about the freezing.
And the dog.
Just note to everybody, if your trailer is in stores, I highly recommend you do check it.
Check on it, yep.
Don't just let it sit there.
Uh-huh.
You never know. Even though our storage place is gated, it's a gate all the way around. The place where the trailers are is like in the back. You gotta have a code to get in and everything, but you just never know. People bring people with them, you know.
Right.
Curious people climb over gates. You know, people gonna people, as they say. So just check on your trailers, check on your babies, check on your investment. It's in storage. If you get to keep your baby at home, that's a blessing. But you gotta store it like us, check on it. That's the end of my TED Talk. All right, the moment of truth. The moment of truth. Maybe. Okay, door open and closes. That's half the battle, okay? Let me know in the comments, has anybody upgraded their stairs? If you upgraded your stairs on your trailer, what stairs did you upgrade with? What did you fill in that, you know, nice little space with? What did you do? Tell me about your experiences in the comments on your stair upgrades.
What we saw today out at Camping World is that this box comes off and it's empty.
Yeah,
Some people are putting the storage boxes there. Just give them extra storage. Because it's just empty space. It's going to be an empty space between the two black rails right here.
Storage is extra storage is always nice. Yeah, we did go to Camping World today. I didn't even think to make any footage. I was just like, yay, a trip to Camping World. And I was trying to get to the coffee. don't know if your Camping World get free coffee. Let me know in the comments. But ours do, so they get popcorn too. But that popcorn looked like it was maybe a few days old. So I ain't indulged on popcorn. But the coffee, and she was just making a fresh pie. I had to indulge. Alright, so it's battery powered. So we'll keep y'all posted on how
Home Depot batteries.
The batteries do, how frequently we gotta change them. So maybe after this camping season, we'll do like a follow-up video on how we like this lock. How's it working for us, especially with the boys. We don't let our kids get the codes and stuff. They still young, so we'll let y'all know how it works out for us. I'm thinking it's definitely gonna be better than having just a key. I'm excited about just having a code and going to the pool or going for walks and not having to worry about the key. Yeah, true. There's a remote too, but if I don't want to take it with me to the pool,
you don't have to.
Yeah.
Okay. So now the moment of truth.
Okay, I was wrong before y'all, but now here's the moment of truth.
We're gonna try the remote first. Lock.
Oh, you smart. I would have closed the door and been like, okay, test. Would have been
I
messed up.
pre-programmed all this before we got it.
Yeah.
I pre-programmed all this just in case. I'm gonna put in the code.
So he pre-programmed it. We did do like a preliminary unboxing just to make sure that the mechanicals work before we installed it in the trailer, and then we can do it. Let's see. Try again. Did something.
Let's lock it.
Okay.
Let's lock it. Now to unlock it. Oh, that was on me. Okay.
Don't judge my door. I know y'all.
There you go.
At my door. Oh, there we go.
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna have a real third moment of truth.
So now.
Okay, here we go. And for privacy reasons. Oh yeah, we got the remote, so you can do it.
It's locked.
It's locked. Oh,
The handle.
no, it's locked.
But if you want to keep the handle from moving, just lock the handle.
Oh yeah, you see that? Do that again so the people can see. So the lock. So you have a lock on the handle.
Yeah, so the handle, and then that locks the handle so the handle doesn't move.
Yeah, so that's pretty cool.
Take the sticker off. And of course I ripped it halfway. Okay, it's off. So the sticker is off. And then unlock.
Oh, and then bounce up. Okay, it look like we got fancy stuff. Okay.
I didn't think you would do that.
I kind of like that. No hands. No
I don't think you should be doing that. Let's see.
Oh, he said it shouldn't do that. But for me, that means no hands.
Let me see. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It just wasn't closed.
Oh, okay. That was a little fluke. I was excited. I was like, hey.
That's if you do this. So lock it. That's locked. And if somebody come out and pull it, so it's open.
Okay.
And then if I unlock it, that's how you know somebody been pulling on your door handle.
Yeah.
It'll pop right open.
Okay.
And so here, if you look here in the inside, yeah, look, all that. Here, so if you want to turn off the beeping noise you want it, just press mute and the beep goes away. The light is for the light on the outside of the keypad. Reset, follow the instruction for reset. It's the way you do it. Set code is how you do it. It's the way you do it. Follow the instruction. Now, it says avoid using a pressure washer on your door. So if you're washing your RV, it's an electronic lock. Try not to get that soaking wet. But if you can, you can. Now, one thing I noticed is if you in your RV and you lock it, let's just say somebody has one of these that you gave to, like a friend or something. If you press this, that locks. That's a child lock. It disables all these buttons and the remote. The remote doesn't work no more. See, it disables it. So if you're inside, you clip that over, Only way this will open is with a code. So that's the best way to do that. So I'm going to do this. And then if I do that, now it locks. If I do that, it unlocks. So that takes care of that lock. That lock is now completely changed. It's up there, it's secure. And another thing about it is, for all of us that have key fobs now, we all should be familiar with this. The hidden key. This has a hidden key. Right here. In case your remote stop working, stick your key in. And that opens the door. You also can lock your door with that. So it bypasses the servo. And now this is fully locked.
So if them batteries die, you got a backup.
You got a backup key that's in your key fob. So that takes care of this lock. So now, if I want to get into it, I just unlock this first. Unlock. There you go. It's now open.